Welcome to this review of the Coleman Gas Camping Stove, the classic two-burner propane stove that has been a trusted companion for outdoor enthusiasts for decades. In this video, we'll explore its features, performance, and why it might be the perfect addition to your camping gear. First, let's talk about cooking power. This stove delivers up to 20,000 total BTUs, which is plenty of heat to boil water, fry eggs, or simmer a stew. The two adjustable burners allow you to control the temperature precisely, so you can cook everything from delicate sauces to hearty meals. One of the great things about this stove is that it can accommodate a 12-inch and a 10-inch pan at the same time, giving you the flexibility to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. One feature that really stands out is the built-in wind-blocking panels. These panels shield the burners from wind, which is a common problem when cooking outdoors. You won't have to worry about your flame flickering or wasting fuel because of gusts. This makes the stove reliable even on breezy days at the beach or in the mountains. Another key feature is the pressure regulator. This technology ensures consistent performance even in extreme conditions like high altitudes or very cold weather. You can count on your stove to perform predictably, which is crucial when you're preparing meals after a long day of hiking. In terms of runtime, on high heat, a single 16.4-aughts propane cylinder will last about 1 hour. That's enough to cook a full meal or boil water for coffee and oatmeal. Of course, if you lower the heat, you'll get even more cooking time. It's also worth noting that the stove is compatible with larger propane tanks with an adapter. Portability is another big plus. The stove folds up compactly, making it easy to pack in your car or carry to a campsite. It's perfect for camping, beach cookouts, backyard BBQs, or tailgate parties. And with a 3-year limited warranty, you can trust in its durability. Coleman has been designing outdoor products for over a century, and this stove is a testament to their experience. From iconic lanterns to coolers that keep your food cold for days, comfortable airbeds, long-lasting LED lights, powerful portable grills, and much more, Coleman continues to innovate. This stove embodies that tradition of quality and reliability. In summary, the Coleman Gas Camping Stove is a versatile and dependable cooking solution for any outdoor adventure. Its strong cooking power, wind resistance, and consistent performance make it a top choice. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a weekend warrior, this stove is a solid investment. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.